When you're just casually walking around American Eagle and you just see your dad, just same. Hi, rAtChEt vlog number 2, coming at you. Vlog update, we're at CPK.
Sophia just had a bloody nose everywhere.
Hey,
all the waiters were like concerned. They'll come up to us.
I think it's coming again.
It's still, oh my god, it's bloody again?
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's beyond. Take another one.
Bleeding in public, not clickbait.
Also, fun fact, did you know that CPK is not just in California, it's in Chicago too? What? Fun fact. Yeah, I'm gonna go before I start dying out of blood and bleeding out, honestly. Just boy back. Let's find some boyfriends. Wow, Thrasher, you know, totally. They only have like white girls who like can't skate come here. Leah.
Shut up. Hey guys.
Yes.
Oh my god, it's Perry.
Shut pop into clears.
Did you want to go?
Mom, is that you? Mom.
I didn't see it there. I was too busy vlogging on haters.
I hate you guys so much. I hate my life. When you're trying to avoid copyright, this spinning widget. Any 5 seconds of summer closing.
I got this.
We're gonna get kicked out of Target too. Yum. Just buy it all. I need it all. I'm really thirsty.
This is an officer looking at this.
See, this is why I don't like coming to stores with you guys. I swear. No, Jack, don't let me go. Wrong song. I'm apparently not pretty enough for YouTube, so I'm getting a makeover. So we found the perfect shape.
I know this.
Okay. It smells really nice. It looks like Kylie from the Kylie Jenner collection. Ew! Do I look pretty now, Mom?
Okay.
I'm done with you guys.
Queen.
Highlighter? Oh, we did a little bit of eyeshadow.
Wait, I'm not done.
It hurts. It hurts, mother.
Is she pretty now?
I have something to put on.
Great. No, stop. Sorry. This will do.
Sophia!
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 Where she is?
We need to be here. She's taking it off. Sophia, what do you think you're doing?
I know how you don't.
Sophia! Sophia, look at me!
We have to conceal your nose spots.
Sophia, show everyone your pretty face. Wait, what, Sophia?
I'm funny, that's enough.
Yeah, okay.
No, she's thick. That's how she get all the. She's thick. That's how she get all the guys.
Yeah. Sure.
Come on, Soph.
Let's pick up some guys.
Why?
No.
Come on, Soph.
I'm not going back in there.
Be a team player.
How bad do I look? Be on a scale of 1 to 10, do I look
Be a
fabulous?
team player. Come on.
Here. Okay, I'll put it on myself.
Peer pressure. Sophia, you're not putting it on.
Sophia.
Fine. You have to watch me do it, right?
Yeah.
Revenge.
Ew. Okay, we're going back to wipe the souls.
How?
Do I look pretty now? Guys, I'm just gonna walk
This guy rejected Sophia, and she asked if she could be in his vlog, and he said no.
Of course he said no.
We're both gonna watch the pretzels. Wait, what do you look like?
I ate a Smurf.
No, you suck. No, you suck for Smurf.
Sophie, put them on. Sorry, Izzy.
You guys, I just
Perfect. Now no one will notice.
Hold on.
expensive job. While getting so lit.
Go home. Tatum. Clickbait Tatum.